Production.
What is poppin', Galaxy gang? It's kind of a sad time. We have HD charting, otherwise known as Glxy, I believe. Pretty relevant when it comes to like the Galaxy charting and shit. She's posted so much content, So it's a shame that she'll be stopping doing that. But in the meanwhile, we're gonna continue on. I believe that there's a lot of value in sharing these videos, and I think that, you know, we might. So what? I don't care if the video gets 19 likes. If the video gets 5 likes, that's not the point. My point is I'm practicing sharpening my eye. That's what I'm doing. I'm looking for opportunities, and it helps me practice. So 5 years down the road, when there's another Galaxy, whether it's in whatever sector, I'm going to be able to spot the chart patterns and capitalize on it, and then make stupid more money off of it. So that's my philosophy behind charting and sharing my charts. Most of this is just practice for me. If it comes to value to other people, hey man, that's two birds, one stone, or two birds stoned at once. So let's take a look at this. All right, we got Galaxy Digital Holdings, and I marked out this level. Right, this is around $9.45. Okay, we've been under $9.45 since May 2022, and what we have here, again, we're on the daily time frame. We have this massive bottoming pattern shaping up right now. Okay, so there's a few different perspectives you could look at Galaxy. Again, share your opinion if you think this is about right or not, or if you would agree. But I'm just going to zoom out a bit just to give you a bigger picture, right? So we have this wave one massive move. This is when a lot of people, like, I first found Galaxy, it was around $4.11, I think. I don't think I'll ever forget that. But that's when I first bought into Galaxy, and then watching this pump changed a lot of things for me, right? So this is a big push to the upside. We've now spent, since April 2021 up until now, kind of trying to fight this market. Essentially, prices get so inflated, they have to come back to a mean. So that's where this wave 2 is created, where we have this basically massive correction, right? This massive correction. So 2 years later, right? April 2021, almost 3 years later now. So we're looking November 2023, maybe April 2024, where this base, right? This is over 1 year's worth of consolidation being so structured into like a consolidation zone. And what I mean by that is, like, it's clear that we're in a zone, right? It's clear that this 945 range and this $3.67 range, we're playing in that range. Support, resistance, okay? This base is going to give us, essentially, it's a launch pad, right? So imagine all the shares in here get eaten up, right? So if we look at this volume profile, majority of the shares that are being held by investors are at $5.38 to around $8. That's the range. Once we eat up all the shares in this area, there's very little resistance above. And then what that causes is, when the prices start to increase and slowly glide up out of that zone, it makes it easier to get into these levels, right? That's why we've seen this type of price action back in 2021, where there's no resistance up here, right? So you're seeing so much price action driving us to the upside. Again, I'm probably oversimplifying it, but essentially what we're looking at here, right? We're going to zoom in on the daily time frame again. We're looking at a major opportunity, okay? Not everybody gets this opportunity. Now, there might be people out there who you can tell about Glxy and they might not get it. So really, this is the time. Really think about the opportunity that you're being given. If you're in the Glxy stock, if you have shares, think about this. This is could be a once in a lifetime opportunity to take advantage of, a lot of people being, I don't want to say ignorant, but just they're not aware, right? A lot of people aren't aware of this opportunity. So it's a special chance. So what we're looking for now is, again, this 945 zone. Let's play around in here for a little bit before we get that pop, right? Because then we have a few gaps to fill, which is around $10 and then around $13. There's two gaps. We're going to probably fly through those gaps, if you see what I'm saying. So that's kind of my outlook. This is a beautiful chance here. And again, this is what's going to start our wave 3. Now our wave 3 can go, who knows where it can go. If we use the Fibonacci extension tool and we mark out, just call it 37-cent low, we went up to way high and we come back to this pullback area of 360. The first target is $50. That's a pretty interesting opportunity. Will it go there? We're not sure yet. I'm sure it's going to take a hell of a long time to get back into those ranges, but there's other catalysts that could push us even further for all we know, right? We have the Bitcoin ETFs that are slowly coming. We have the NASDAQ uplisting. That's a potential one. So it's exciting. It's a good time. I think is a great opportunity for us not only to, help each other out in the space, in this little Glxy community here, but maybe even put others onto it who are outside of the community. I think that's an interesting thing that, is worth looking into. So that's the breakdown. Sorry for the large ass rant, guys. Easy.